Again, we keep driving through the night.
Yeah,
We are headed for the light.
I'm just trying to live my dream.
To lead the way.
I put God first, so I know everything gonna be alright.
Again, we keep driving through the night.
Yeah,
We are headed for the light.
yeah,
We are dreams to lead
Luck,
the way
luck.
out here.
This is a Cinema Beats production.
luck. Everybody tryna head to the top, but it's hard getting there. Better mark your spot when I put God first. Everything be straight, so I laugh and I hit a face every time they hate. Still tryna just live my dream. Fly like an angel, protect my wings. Pray every morning, pray every night. So when I wake up, everything's so right, everything's so bright. Like I live in the light. I'm just tryna be the greatest. Something like Mike. More money, more pain. So when I get more, most things might change. Friends act strange, some act cool. Money won't change me, never act brand new. I'ma still be me, still be the same. I was raised with nothing. I'm prepared for the fame. I done walked in the rain with my head down. Now I got my head up. Used to be broke, then my pockets got fed up. Living big dreams, trying to be on big screens. Yeah, I got faith. I'm fly with no wings, high with no smoke, lie to no folks. Used to be broke, and broke was no joke. Don't need to change, it's showing that I'm doing big things. I'd rather come through in that brand new range. Yeah, living my life. Dropped out of school, yeah, I know it ain't right. Been through it all, and I still stand tall. Cause my enemies want me to fall. Forever I fall. This my story. Just trying to hope that it ends with glory. Trying to tell y'all that this my story. Just trying to hope that it ends with glory. Yeah.
Again, we keep driving through the night.
Yeah.
We are headed for the light.
Just trying to live my dream.
I fly with the stars in the skies. I am no longer trying to survive. I believe that life is a prize, but to live doesn't mean you're alive. Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire, it's my empire. And yes, I call the shots, I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this